Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I am making Dalgona coffee with a little twist. By the way, I'm vlogging for the very first time, so I hope it goes great. So yeah, let's get started with this video. Okay, so the traditional method of making this Dalgona coffee is to take the ingredients in 1:1:1 ratio. Like if you are using 2 tablespoons of coffee, then you have to use 2 tablespoons of sugar and hot water. Then you have to whisk this mixture until you get a creamy froth. I'm kind of a person who like light and sweet coffee, but if you like strong coffee, then 2 tablespoons of coffee and sugar water is good. So in today's video I'm gonna use half a tablespoon of coffee and 1 tablespoon of sugar and 1 tablespoon of hot water. So here I am using brew coffee, this. Okay, so I'm just gonna take half a tablespoon of coffee. Then 1 tablespoon of sugar, and then 1 tablespoon of hot water. Then using hand whisker you have to whisk this mixture. So if you have an electronic beater, it will take 5 to 10 minutes to whisk this mixture until you get a creamy froth. But if you are using the hand whisker, then it might probably take 10 to 15 minutes or maybe 15 to 20 minutes to whisk. As you can see here, it has changed to lighter brown shade. Still we have to whisk it. Consistency of this mixture is super creamy and light. So I'm just gonna whisk it for next 1 minute and it will be done. See this, so good. So as you can see, it's done. Okay, so now for the milk, I took 1 cup of milk and added elaichi in it, like to give a desi twist. Just gonna take this in a glass. And then I'm gonna add this froth.